Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see S parameters for series and shunt elements. In the earlier videos, I have discussed about S11, S22, and S21. This is S12. Today I will discuss how to find out S12. So if I say S12, we have to see the output at port 1 and the input is excited at port 2. So port 1 is here. So you connect the characteristic impedance Z0, which is 50 ohms. And here you are going to excite with a voltage source. I call this as 2V2 plus, and this is Z0, 50 ohms, characteristic impedance. This is how you have to connect. So the first step will be we have to find the total impedance as viewed from 2V2, this voltage source. So from these 2 points, I am going to find out Zt. So now these two are in series. So I can write 50 plus J20 ohms. These two. This combination is in parallel with 30 ohms. Okay. So this is up to this point we have found the equivalent resistance, and this 50 ohms is in series with this combination. So you will be having plus 50, and this will give you total impedance as seen from this voltage source. Now we know Zt. Now we have to find I, that is total current out of this source. Total current given by this source. So total current IT is equal to this 2V2 divided by Zt, 2V2 plus. If I say plus, we are feeding the 2-port network and the wave goes towards the port. To indicate towards the port, the energy fed towards the port we indicate by plus. If you have some reflection, then it is denoted by minus. So IT is equal to 2V2 plus by Zt. Now here IT, this IT sees two impedances, one impedance here which is 50 plus J20, another impedance is 30 ohms. Now I want this current which is IL. How to find IL? IL is equal to incoming current, that is IT, multiplied by other resistance. Other resistance is 30 ohms divided by sum of these two impedances, that is 50 plus J20 plus 30. 50 plus J20 50 plus J20 plus 30. So the formula is incoming current. I am using current division rule. Incoming current multiplied by other resistance which is 30 and sum of the resistance in the denominator. So now I know IL. I want V out. V out is here. V out or V2 or V1. So this point. So if you want V out or V1, V1 is equal to V out is equal to this IL, load current multiplied by Z0. IL into Z0. Now we know what is IL, we know what is IT. So here if you see IL is equal to IT you write this one 2V2 plus by Zt This is IL, IT, total current, into 30 by this value. 50 plus 30 is 80 plus J20. So in the place of IT I substituted this, but I know the value for ZT also. If you calculate this, you will get ZT. That is, IL is equal to IL is equal to 2V2 plus into 30 by ZT into 80 plus J20. Now I want V out. V out is what? V out is equal to IL. IL is this value. That is 2V2 plus into 30 by ZT into 80 plus J20. So what is the formula? S12 is equal to V1 by V2. V1 is nothing but V out, IL into Z0. Okay, now we know V out. V out is nothing but V1. So I can very well write it as V1. So what you have to do is V1 divided by V2 plus, move this V2 plus this side. Okay. So this will give you S12. Now I know all the values. 60 ZT value I will get from this multiplied by 80 plus J20. After doing all the simplification, the value is going to be S12. You will be getting answer like this, that is S12 you will be getting as 3000 angle 0 degree divided by 5728 angle 16.22. So once you divide this, you will be getting 0.5237 angle. If this angle, when it goes to the numerator, minus, so minus 16.22 degrees. Finally, what we have to do is, this itself is the answer. If you want the answer in decibels, 20 log of this value. So you will be getting minus 5.6183 dB. Angle will be same, minus 16.22 degrees. So this will be the answer for S12. Hope you have understood this S parameters. The last two videos I have covered S11, S22, S21. So in this video I am covering S12 and I am getting the answer like this. So you must be good in converting rectangular to polar and polar to rectangular. So you must be thorough with how to operate the calculator. After doing all the calculations, you will be getting the answer like this in dB, and this will be the general answer, voltage gain. Hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.